coral reefs.
Underwater
communities.
Coral reefs are huge ocean communities. Millions of animals and sea plants live in them. Coral reefs are very busy places. Many kinds of coral make up reefs. Corals aren't rocks or plants. They are tiny animals called polyps. Most polyps are smaller than a pea. Kinds of coral. There are two kinds of coral. The first kind is hard corals. These corals have hard skeletons. Over time, thousands of polyp skeletons help build a reef. Algae live in the bodies of these corals. Algae are simple cousins of plants. The algae are food for the corals. Soft corals are the second kind of coral. They often look like trees or other plants. These corals can bend with the water currents. Algae live in the bodies of some of them. Many corals are named for what they look like. Brain corals look like brains. Sea fans look like open fans. Sea pens look like old-fashioned pens made from big feathers. A busy home. Thousands of fish of all sizes, shapes, and colors live on reefs. They depend on the reef for food and safety. Shrimp, lobsters, crabs, and sea stars feed on reefs. The holes in reefs are good places for animals to hide. Where corals live. Most coral reefs are close to shore in warm parts of the world. Corals need certain things to stay healthy. They need algae for food. They must be near the water's surface so the algae can get enough sunlight. Also, both corals and algae need water that is not too warm or cold. There are three kinds of coral reefs. Fringing reefs are close to the shore. Barrier reefs have a large, deep area of water between the reef and the shore. Atolls, the third type of reef, are shaped like circles. They form around the edges of a slowly sinking island. After the island sinks, a small body of water called a lagoon forms in the center. Dangers to coral reefs. Coral reefs are very fragile. Many things can harm them. People are the biggest cause of harm. People burn huge amounts of coal, oil, and gas to power cars and factories and to heat and cool buildings. Burning coal, oil, and gas is making Earth's air and water warmer. Warmer ocean water causes many problems for coral reefs. Corals are getting sick. Coral diseases can destroy a big reef in just weeks. Warmer water is also causing corals to lose their algae. Without algae, corals have no food. They also lose their color and turn white. 3/4 of all coral reefs have this problem. Protecting coral reefs. Coral reefs are beautiful. They are also important for many reasons. Reefs help protect coasts from storms and floods. They provide food for many kinds of fish that people eat. Some reef plants and animals are used for medicines. Many countries try to protect their reefs. They have written laws and rules to keep reefs safe. But people do not always follow those laws and rules. Half of the world's reefs have been destroyed. Most of the others are in trouble. Scientists are working to help coral reefs. Each of us can help too, even if we don't live near an ocean. Never throw things in the water. Learn about what people do that makes ocean water too warm. We can all help protect coral reefs. Then all the living things on coral reefs will continue to have homes and food.
Good job!
Coral reefs. Water community. Coral reefs are huge ocean communities. Millions of animals and sea plants live in them. Coral reefs are very big place. Many kinds of coral are reef. Corals are rocks and plants. There are tiny animals called
polyps.
The polyps are smaller than pea. And then kinds of coral. The two hearts of coral. These coral have the hard skeletons. Their tiny thousands of such skeletons help build a reef. Algae live in the bodies of these corals. Algae are simple cousins of plants. The algae are food for these corals. A busy home. Thousands of fish of all sizes, shapes, color live on reef. They depend on the reef for food and safety. Stream lobster, crabs, and sea stars feed on reef. The holes of reefs are good place of animals to hide. Where corals live. Most coral reefs are close to shore. With warm parts of the world, corals need things to stay healthy. They need lots of food. They must be near the water surface so the algae can get through sunlight. Also, both corals and need water that is not too warm or cold. There are three kinds of coral reef: flying reef and close to the shore. Bream reef are large, deep area of water between the reef and the shore.
Atolls.
The third types of reef are shaped like circles. They're from around the edge of a stony sink an island. After the island is a small body of water called a lagoon or in the center. Dangerous to coral reef. Coral reefs are very
fragile
and can harm them. People are biggest cause of harm. People burn huge amounts of oil and gas to power cars and ferries to heat the coast building. Burning coal
oil and gas is making Earth's air and water warmer. Warmer ocean water causes many problems on coral reef. Coral reefs are getting sicker. This can destroy a big reef in just a week. Warmer water is also causing corals to lose their edge without
Algae.
Without algae, corals have no food. They also lose their color and turn white. 3 hours of all coral reefs have this problem. Other things harm coral reef to some people is poison and
explosives.
Then fish boats can break and large pieces of reef dirt and trash can smolder. Then boats can leak gas and oil. Gas and oil hurts coral, plants and fish. Protecting coral reef. Coral reefs are beautiful. They are also important for many reasons. Reefs help protect us from storms and floods. They provide food to many kinds of fish that people eat. Some reef plants and animals are used as medicines. Many countries try to protect the reef. They have water laws and rules keep reef safe, but people do not always follow those laws and rules. There have all the world reef have been destroyed. Most of the others are in trouble. Scientists are working to help coral reef. Each of you can help to even it one
destroyed.
Ocean near these things is the water. Learn about what people do that make ocean water too warm. We can all help protect coral reefs. Them all the living things on coral reefs will continue to have homes and food.
Good